Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me till now, and I have an exciting video for you guys today. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about this particular thing. I bought this for 35 rupees. 35 rupees from a pharmacy. This is, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि ये क्या लेके आई है, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज एलम. आई थिंक हिंदी में फिटकरी ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं इसको. आई एम नॉट श्योर बट दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज एलम. ये दिस थिंग वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड सजेस्टेड मी टू यूज़ इट एंड आई थॉट लाइक मैं एक बार ट्राई कर लेती हूँ. So I went to a pharmacy and bought it. I don't know why I'm glitching and इतना slow क्यों बोल रही हूँ, I'm not sure, but again this particular thing I bought it for 35 rupees. आपको online देखोगे so you get it around 100 rupees, but मुझे I didn't know that I'll get it for 35 rupees. I bought it from a local pharmacy. मैंने Blinkit पे देखा था, it was around 91-20 rupees and अलग अलग brands भी है. So what is the use of this and why did I bring this? Why did I bought this? So ये this particular thing can be used as an aftershave for men जो शेव करने के बाद, अभी तो आफ्टर शेव क्रीम्स आते हैं या लोशन आते हैं या सीरम्स आते हैं. पहले पीपल पुराने ज़माने के दे यूज्ड टू यूज़ दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग एज एन आफ्टर शेव. सो दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट what is it called, and this has great antibacterial formula, I guess. I'm not sure. So this has that, and ये वाटर प्यूरीफाई करने के लिए भी लोग यूज़ करते हैं, लाइक टू रिमूव द क्लोरीन आउट ऑफ द वाटर एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. आई बॉट दिस बिकॉज मैंने, एज आई सेड, लाइक वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड रिकमेंडेड इट टू मी एंड she said that you use it and your pores will be minimized. I do not have pore issue, but I wanted to use it as a disinfectant on my face after I shave, because I do shave my face. I bought this and जैसे मैंने ऑनलाइन देखा the uses of this particular product, उसमें लिखा था कि this can be helped in getting rid of the pigmentation on your face. This can be used as deodorant जो आपका क्या बोलते हैं, बॉडी ऑडर को कम करता है. एंड दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड एज अ वाटर प्यूरीफायर. वो तो हम लोग बात नहीं करेंगे. हियर वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द स्किन बेनिफिट्स इट हैज़. So what I did was I used it on my face. इसको कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, you just have to wet it and just rub it on your face. Make sure that you're rubbing it on the smooth surface. यहाँ पे smooth है and यहाँ पे थोड़ा rough है. So make sure that you use this particular part while using it on your face, because हमको damage नहीं करना है with the sharp edges. So I use it on my face like this. मैं पानी लगा के लगती हूँ, आपको कुछ लगेगा नहीं कि that you're applying something, but once it dries down you will feel थोड़ा सा tightness and then you have to wash it off. I use this 2 to 3 times a week because बहुत convenient है. it's उतना hassle नहीं है कुछ करने के लिए. hassle उतना कुछ वैसा पाउडर मिक्स करके you don't have to do it. You can just put it in the water and use it on your face. Just wash it off in 15-20 minutes. I've also used it on my underarms. I do not have उतना order. Guys, I'm sounding very nasal because I'm sick. अगर मेरा pronunciation ऐसा कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो please excuse me. I do not have any body odor, but I tried it and मेरा underarms, I noticed that it did not sweat that much because I'm a sweaty girl. उतना sweat नहीं किया. And body odor, I'm not sure like if that helped me with that, but great product. I also used it on my inner thighs. वहाँ पे like because I rub and I have thick thighs, so friction रहता है and I have a little pigmentation over there. I used it over there and it helped. उसमें थोड़ा सा ऐसा smooth कर दिया skin को and looking good. You can also use it on your, I think after you shave down there, you can use it as an after shave. Also make sure that you don't apply it on your lips. Just बाहर जहाँ पे लगा सकते हो वहाँ पे लगाओ. Nothing more than that. This is overall a really good product. 35 रुपीज़ में आपको क्या क्या कर रहा है. I bought it and बहुत टाइम तक चलेगा, I'm very sure, because I've been using it since 3 weeks अभी at this point and it कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है उसको. So I think it's a good product. Let me know if you have tried this and let me know if you want me to try it on other people from my family या कोई भी. it's great. Like, you use it continuously, you can see a difference in your pigmentation, you can see a difference in your pores. You can use it as aftershave. Normally when I shave my face, कभी कभी इफ़ देयर इज़ अ वाइट हेड, अगर मैंने उसके ऊपर शेव किया है, द नेक्स्ट डे आई गेट अ बम्प, बिग बम्प, वो बड़ा हो जाता है. बट आई हैव नोटिस दैट कि ये यूज़ करने के बाद आफ्टर शेविंग द फेस मुझे कुछ नहीं, लाइक यू कैन सी माई स्किन हैज़ क्लियर्ड अप सो मच. थोड़ा सा पिगमेंटेशन बाकी है एंड इट्स लुकिंग बेटर सिंस लास्ट ईयर, जो बहुत गंदा हो गया था. So this is one of the things which I have been incorporating in my routine to have this skin. You can also use it on your underarms, you can use it on your underarms for pigmentation, for body odor. You can use it down there once you shave, or you can use it wherever you shave. उसके बाद after shave लगा के you can just wash it off because this has great antibacterial properties. So this was about this particular product and this is, I bought it for 35 rupees. and अगर आप ऑनलाइन भी मंगा रहे हो, you get it for 100 max. and उसका पाउडर भी मिलता है. if you want to use a powder as a face mask, you can do it. मुझे कुछ भी नेगेटिव इसके बारे में बोलने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं, because I genuinely wanted to try it and I wanted to see if it's actually working or no. But it's great. So you can just check this out on my recommendation. Just 35 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees for them, for that matter. कि 100 rupees का भी रहेगा तो you can just bring it. Otherwise I would suggest you go to the local pharmacy and वहाँ से ले लो. That would cost you better. ठीक है. This was about this particular product which is alum. You can use it everywhere on your body. Water purifier के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं. So this was about the video. If you have any questions or if you want me to try any other products, just let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing great videos from now on. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.